I'm Freddy Fox, and today we're in a garden. And I'm so excited to see what kind of fruits and vegetables we're growing today. This is strawberry. It's not ripe to eat yet because it's green. And these are the flowers of which the strawberries grow. And this is green onion. If you eat this, your breath will stink. But they're fresh garlic. Onion. Here is where we throw away the dead scraps in case you get old or musty. They're recyclable, which means they can be reused anytime if put into a plant. Here we have kale. This is full of potassium and other minerals that help your body grow. Here are some trees. These trees look like mint. We can't taste them because we never know what it could be. And here is our birdhouse. All sorts of birds like to eat, such as pigeons, doves, and blue jays. This is our greenhouse. This is where we grow all sorts of indoor plants. We have pitcher plants, herbs, and even catnip. See that? That's a rake. We use this rake to rake leaves and clean the garden. This rake is the color orange. Can you say the color orange? Come on. These are baby sunflowers. They'll grow up to become big sunflowers. Oh. And this is my dog, Teddy. He's a poodle. Can you say poodle? He is the color white. And this is a lawnmower. We use this to mow the lawn in case the grass gets too tall. And that's a hammock. We can hang a hammock on the rails during the summertime to keep cool. It's not the summer yet, so almost. And these are weeds. They're bad for the garden. But we grow these leaves because they have nice flowers. They're nice to look at when they become flowers. And that's the compost. We use that to keep the ground nice and healthy to grow more plants. Do you see that? That's water. We use this to help the plants grow. Nice and full. Here, I'll water the... See? Purified water. For eggs. But that will help the seedlings grow. And that's the core of our garden. Alright.